I was like, hey, I had tears. I had tears. I was like, you gotta try this again. Hey y'all, I'm ShamauriReniece, and in today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all an Ivy Park unboxing. This is my second time doing this video because the first one was just rushed and I wasn't about to put no rushed video out there. But I tried to put everything back how I did, so don't come for me. But if you know me, you know I love Beyonce. So you know I had to give me some Ivy Park. Just like my 50th time trying to get some Ivy Park, and I finally got some. I didn't like everything, but I liked the stuff. Like everything that I did like, I did get instead of the pants, because I had the pants in my cart, but somebody snatched them out. So that's the only thing I'm missing from what I wanted. Y'all, let me tell y'all about this day. So I had did the express checkout, and it was on a timer. So as soon as you hit 1, I pushed proceed to checkout, and it took forever to load. And when it came on, it was like all the items in your cart aren't available anymore, and the pants was one. Everything else was like still there. So I went back, put everything back in my cart with the pants again. The pants just wouldn't work for the rest of the time. So I just quit with the pants, and I got some other stuff. Y'all don't know what pants I'm talking about, but I'll tell y'all. But yeah, that's what my video gonna be. I'm gonna unbox. Well, it's not really an unboxing this time because, yeah, I'll show y'all what the box look like though. It ain't nothing major. It was this big box and this box. Yeah, that was it. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. And if y'all ain't noticed, like if you always watch my videos, my hair short, I cut it myself. It used to be down here. It still needs to be cut to like, probably like right here. But I did a pretty good job. I mean, it's straight, and it's a little puffy right now because I got hot. But we're gonna get into this video. Okay, so the first thing is these masks. I've already been through all of this like I told y'all. So y'all, it's hot. Like I got my ceiling fan going, and it's just hot outside. So it's hot. I don't think the air on. I don't know. It probably is. It's just not where I want it to be. So the mask, I got these ones. It got this one. It's just like this. It's soft. But yeah, that's how it look. Got this one. The blue. It's like this right here. And then like that on this side. That's how it look open. And the pink one. So yeah, that's it for, I guess, the small stuff. I didn't like everything from like on there, like the latex stuff, but I didn't know what to expect with that stuff because as y'all can see, like I'm hot right now. Me with latex, I don't care what's in the inside. If it's something in the inside, that's just me. I'm just gonna be even more hot. Not gonna work. I'm gonna put this in here. What is this? Okay. So I try to put everything in a pack. Y'all, this is bad. I'm sorry. But this is what it looked like when it come. And I got a large because I'd be scared because I was like, if I get a medium, I don't know if it's gonna be too small. But if I get a large, if it's big, unless it's not small, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? So I got the monogram skirt. I got it in a large. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. This how it look. It's got the print on there. The pocket, it say Ivy Park. And the Adidas, the little 3 stripes. And it's got buttons on there. I don't know if y'all can see what it say. Do it say anything? Oh yeah, it do. Let me get close to it. Yeah, y'all can't see that. Yeah, ain't no way. It say Ivy Park with the Adidas sign on there. Wait. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. But y'all know what I mean. This how I look in the front. Yeah, it'll look big. It look big. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. It's got the Adidas sign right here. And in the back, it's got a pocket. And that's how it look. It's got belt loops. I don't know. Okay, yeah, they real belt loops. And it's like a jean material. Something like that. But that's how it looks. Yeah. Y'all know me. I had to get the skirt. I like skirts. Especially like this. But yeah, that's how it looks. The next thing I got was, I'm just gonna show it right here. That's what I got. I'm trying to make sure I ain't got nothing. Okay. I got the cropped monogram jacket to go with it. And it's just got pockets at the top and on the side. It's like a jean jacket, and it's like that at the bottom. It's got the 3 stripes, and right here it say Ivy Park, and you get to like button it to like your wrist. So if you got a smaller wrist, you put it on that last button, and it's the same on this side. Oh wait, no it's not. It's got this on this side. My bad. It's like a little turtleneck. This is how I look in the back. And it's got shoulder pads right here. That's good. I like that. I got this in a large too. Oh, this how the tag look. That's cute. But yeah, this it. Wait, I'm gonna open and show y'all what's in the inside. It's just like this. I think it's the same as the skirt. No, it's different. But yeah, jacket. And I saved the best for last, because this is what I really wanted, other than the skirt. I really didn't even care for the jacket, but you know, you gotta match. The shoe box, y'all. I'm sorry for the lighting. It's dark outside and I'm using a ring light and it don't feel like enough. And I don't feel like turning on my mirror light, so this is what we gonna work with. These the shoes I got. I got them in an 8.5. This how the box look. This how the box look on this side. It say Icy Park. Y'all can't really see that. It's got the Adidas stripe up here and right here. I don't think anything at the bottom. And I'm gonna open this. So at the top is a dust bag for the shoes. And it say Ivy Park in pink with the Adidas on the side. We'll be using this. It's a good, whatever you call it. What's the word? That's a good add-on. I don't think that's a good word for it, but y'all know what I mean. This how it look when you take that off. So this is the shoe. Y'all, if y'all know me, I only wear Vans, Uggs. I got like Doc Martens. I don't really wear no tennis shoe. You know what I mean? But these right here, they're beautiful. And they platform. I'm 5'6" already, y'all. Like, that ain't tall, but that's tall enough. And if you 6'5", you should still get them. Because they just cute. I don't care what height you is. Platform. Forget about the platform. Get some inches. I don't care. This how they look. They real cute. So they got Ivy Park right here. And they got whatever that is. Adidas. And they got the stripe. That's how they look. Then they got the little tag on there, whatever. In the inside, it's got the monogram in there, and it say Ivy Park and Adidas right there. She's smart. I love Beyonce, man. Like this right here, these by themselves is wonderful. I love it. Okay, so here's the other shoe, and you know it's the same. Oh, I forgot to show y'all this. It say Ivy Park right here, and that's how it look. And it come with the little tag. Wait, let me flip it this way. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it look. I'm gonna be back. Somebody was calling me. But yeah, that's how it look. That's everything. I'm gonna put everything on. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all what the shoes look like on me, but I'm gonna put on the skirt and the jacket. And yeah, I'm gonna be back. Yeah, I'm gonna be back. Okay, y'all, so I put it on. I ain't zip it up all the way because I'm already hot. And I feel like I really should have got the shirt, like the bodysuit to go with this. I don't know why I didn't get it. Y'all, I tell y'all, I be slow. And I was just focusing on the main stuff. So I really don't care. I can find a shirt to go with it. Don't mind the talking in the back. I'm going to show y'all how this look. I didn't put the shoes on because I don't feel like it. Don't mind my dog. So we're going to put this down. Yeah, this how it look. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is me, this is me. Y'all, Beyonce, she must know who I am. Don't mind the crying in the dog. But this how it look. Ooh. Wait, what's the song? Hey. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay. But wait. Okay. That's how everything look. Y'all, when I tell y'all these pictures I'm gonna take this weekend, gonna be cute. Stay tuned for the pictures. I'm gonna put my Instagram somewhere down here in the description. It's even on my YouTube banner. It's everywhere. So make sure y'all go like that. But y'all, it's cute. The skirt a little big. The jacket a little big too, but it's fine. It's okay. You can't tell the waist is almost snatched. I ain't gonna say it's snatched, but it's almost there. I'm talking too much, but this how I look. Just imagine the shoes on with it, cause I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna put these shoes on, but wait, we gotta put the mask on too, cause you know this world crazy now, so we gotta wear a mask. So let me put it on. Gotta do my little. Hold on. Ooh, hold up. Ooh, yeah. This skirt big. I know it's supposed to be like up here. Look how much. It's big. Okay. Cause I'm hot. So that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoy watching it. Make sure y'all go watch my other videos. Do that. I'm a very interesting person. If you don't know me, you don't know me. So you should go watch. Tell everybody. Okay, I'm obsessed. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Do that. Yeah, do that. Sorry for the crying and the doggy. There's nothing I can do about that. So, yeah. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I've been taking a break off threatening folks to subscribe to my channel. And make sure you comment. I love reading comments. But subscribe. What's y'all problem? It just take a second. It take a second to subscribe. And if you like Beyonce, you really should subscribe. Because, baby, I've been a fan since I was four. Since I was 4. Okay? 4. Okay. I just sound retarded now. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. Peace out. Okay.